Rainfall in Sri Lanka monsoonal, convectional, and depressional rain account for a major share of the annual rainfall. The southwestern sector, including a part of the central highland, stands out as the wettest part of the island. A small area in the western slopes of the highlands, Yatyantote, Ginigattene, and Wattavale, receives the highest annual rainfall 5,259 mm, 5,080 mm, and 5,024 mm respectively. In the major part of the lowland, average annual rainfall is 1,250 to 2,000 mm. Notable expectations are the southeastern and northwestern coastal area, which are the driest part of the island, with an annual rainfall under 1,000 mm, Yara 927 mm, and Paratupana 970 mm, and Manna 963 mm. The southwestern sector receives more rain during the southwest monsoon May to September, while the northeast monsoon December to February brings rain to the northern and eastern sector. During the intermonsoonal session, rainfall is experienced over most part of the island. During the two intermonsoonal sessions, the predominant feature is convectional thunder activity. Thunderstorms usually develop inland during midday and gradually spread towards the coastal region during the afternoon and evening.